and welcome. Thanks for checking out our product review. Now, before we begin, let me ask you a question. Are you struggling to create an online income? Well, if you're interested in having one of our internet marketing coaches help you build your online business to get your monthly income to $10,000 a month, click the first link in the description below. For a limited time, we've opened a few slots for new members. Now, back to the review. You can grab the product through the second link in the description below at any time during this video. And upon your purchase, you're going to receive these 4 exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1. We'll show you how to flood your offers with free traffic. Bonus 2. We'll show you how to master the art of ranking all your videos on YouTube. Bonus 3. Learn how to create a significant income by becoming a middleman on one of the top freelancer sites. And bonus 4. Discover how to get 250,000 new subscribers every week. We have several more bonuses that you'll find in the description below. These bonuses will be automatically delivered instantly via Warrior Plus or JVZoo as soon as you grab the product. I've also included access to our #1 recommendation for becoming an expert in creating an online income with the help of our AI tools. And you can get started for free. You can get access in the description below. Now, let's get back to the review.
The words we express every day have the power to impact our lives. They can define and create who we are and the actions we take. When you express words repeatedly, whether orally or by writing, the meaning behind the words gives birth to views that mold your beliefs, motivation, behavior, and eventually your life. Whether negative or positive, in the next 20 days, you should know about the power of words in your life. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks. It is developing the strength to get back up after life events have leveled you to the ground. It is the reservoir you draw from in times of need that helps carry you through while keeping you from falling apart. Resilience does not mean you develop a blind eye to existing challenges. Instead, it means you develop the backbone to deal with the difficulties to the best of your abilities, often emerging better than ever. Communication is the key to happy or healthy work and personal relations. That is why getting the most out of your relationships, improving your relationships, or saving your relationships depends on how well you communicate with the parties involved. It is impossible to get everyone to work together and continue delivering exceptional results at work if effective communication is lacking. The most important thing you need to do to begin living your life with purpose is knowing what your purpose is in the first place. Answer the following questions. What is the purpose of your existence? What are you meant to achieve? What impact are you meant to have in the world and your own life? Once you have clear responses to those questions, you will know what to live for.